Hello students, in this video we will be discussing the multiple choice questions of Applied Thermodynamics unit number 1 as per the AKTU syllabus. So the question number 1 is ultimate analysis of anthracite is approximately. So these are the four options that are given. Out of these, which is the option that is correct? It's saying that ultimate analysis of anthracite is approximately, मतलब जब आप एंथ्रासाइट का एनालिसिस करेंगे तो उसके बाद आपको कौन सा जो सब्सटेंस है उसके कितना परसेंटेज आपको मिलेगा. सो विच इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन आउट ऑफ दीज. सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट ऑप्शन नंबर ए is the correct, that is carbon 91%, then hydrogen, then oxygen, nitrogen, and then sulfur. These are the percentage that will come after the analysis of anthracite. Question number 2, calorific value of fuel determined at constant volume. जब हम calorific value of fuel निकालते हैं और उसे अगर हम constant volume पे determine करेंगे, then what it will be? Will it be equal to the calorific value of fuel at constant pressure, or will it be more, or will it be less, or maybe or may not, depending upon several other factors. So the option number here D is correct, that is maybe more or maybe less, depending upon the molecular contraction or expansion of the products or combustion. Coming to question number 3, bomb calorimeter is used to determine the calorific value of. I think this is a very simple question. Question number 3, the correct answer is solid and liquid fuels. So these are the very important questions and they are taken from a very good book, and there are chances that these questions can come in the examination. The oxygen percentage by volume in air is. ऑक्सीजन का परसेंटेज बाय वॉल्यूम इन एयर कितना होता है. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ ध्यान रखने वाली है कि इसने पूछा है बाय वॉल्यूम कितना होता है. सो द फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज, इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन ईजी क्वेश्चन. सो द आंसर इज A, that is 21% by volume of oxygen in air. Moving on to question number 5, offset apparatus is used to determine. This is the question number from the unit 1. We are discussing these questions, and this is very important apparatus. Therefore, this question can come. So it is it is in the working. You can read the options and you can determine that offset apparatus is used to determine. The answer number D is correct, that is products of only dry constituents of combustion volume. So these are the 5 questions from the unit number 1